Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing some of my favorite free Windows tools that I always keep on my PC. These tools make life so much easier, whether you're working, studying, or just tinkering with your system. So, let's dive right in. First up is ShareX. If you're tired of basic screenshots, this is a must-have. ShareX lets you take advanced screenshots, record your screen, and even create GIFs, all for free. It's lightweight, highly customizable, and perfect for anyone who creates tutorials or needs to capture screens regularly. I honestly don't know how I survived without it. Tool number 2, Everything File Search Utility. Unlike the default Windows search, Everything indexes your files in seconds, giving you results almost instantly. Just type in a file name, and boom, it's there. If you're someone who deals with a ton of files, trust me, this tool will save you hours. Next, tool number 3, VLC Media Player. We all know the pain of unsupported file formats. That's why I swear by VLC Media Player. This versatile media player handles pretty much every video and audio format you throw at it. Plus, it's got cool features like streaming, subtitles, and even basic video editing. It's been my go-to for years, and it's not going anywhere. Next, tool number 4, OBS Studio, Screen Recording and Streaming. If you're into content creation, gaming, or live streaming, you need OBS Studio. This tool is powerful and completely free. You can record, stream to platforms like Twitch or YouTube, and customize layouts with multiple scenes and sources. It might take a little time to learn, but once you do, it's a total game changer. Now, tool number 5, Notion, Organization and Productivity. For organization, Notion is my secret weapon. From note-taking to project management, this tool does it all. I use it to plan my content, track tasks, and even keep personal journals. The free version is packed with features, and it's perfect if you love staying productive. So there you have it, 5 free Windows tools that I can't live without. These apps are not just time savers, they make your PC experience so much better. Which of these tools do you already use, and which ones are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.